Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up 2.6% today. NASDAQ was up 3.6% today. Microsoft was up 4.6 today. Really amazing day, actually, altogether. Really started last night with President Zolinsky of Ukraine talking about the fact that they weren't as interested in joining NATO as they were in the past. That could be a pathway to some resolution. We'll wait and see what happens. Then we had the International Energy Agency talking about releasing more barrels of oil. And we had some OPEC countries like UAE talking about the possibility of trying to increase production of oil to fill the void for what's happening. Oil then subsequently dropped about 11% today, which is a big deal. And that was a catalyst really for today's market. It really liked that. And you can see the power of this resolution possible in Ukraine and the oil prices coming back down and those types of things and how much that would help the stock market. So we'll have to wait and see. Do have a couple of caveats to what's happened today. Number one, the volume was fairly low. Like to see much higher volume. Just designates that institutions are getting involved in this purchase as far as that goes. I believe the institutions were probably sitting back somewhat today just because of the fact that tomorrow they released the inflation number. And every time they've released the inflation number in the last several months here, the market has retreated. And so the expectation is that we're going to have a 7.8% inflation increase on this February versus last February. And I wouldn't be surprised to see that come in even higher. We have seen inflation beat expectations several times recently, and February does not include much in the way of this oil price increase. The invasion started on the 24th of February, so not a big impact in February. It'll be a bigger impact in March. I've said before at the beginning of the year, I felt like inflation might peak out in March, and now I've delayed that, I think, until May just because of this invasion. So we'll see what happens there, but it was a good day. It's fun to see the market come up. It just shows you the power of the kind of people that are coming in and buying on these dips and what have you. Lots of good names had good days today. So look forward to seeing what's going to happen tomorrow, and we'll talk to you then. Thank you very much.